Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best 20-gallon turtle tank is probably one of the most important purchases you will make for your shelled friend, offering a balance between ample space and manageable size. Finding the perfect tank involves careful consideration of your turtle's specific needs, ensuring a comfortable and enriching environment that promotes their health and longevity. This video will guide you through the essential factors to consider when selecting a 20-gallon turtle tank, helping you make an informed decision that benefits both you and your aquatic companion. Number 5. Tetra 20-gallon aquarium kit. Start your aquatic adventure today with this complete kit. It has everything you need to create a thriving underwater world. It features a spacious 20-gallon glass tank, perfect for your freshwater fish. The low-profile hinged hood keeps everything secure. The energy-efficient LED lighting system provides a beautiful, natural daylight effect for your fish and plants. It includes a Tetra internal filter with mechanical and chemical filtration. This keeps your aquarium water clean and healthy. This kit comes with everything you need for easy setup, including a heater, thermometer, and water conditioner. Get started quickly and easily. Measuring 24 by 12 by 16 inches, it's the ideal size for a variety of fish and aquatic plants. It fits perfectly in most homes. What we like? It includes everything you need to get started with your fish, from the tank and filter to the heater and light. If you are looking for a convenient and hassle-free way to set up a fish tank, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for beginners who want a beautiful and functional aquarium without the fuss. Number 4. REPTI Zoo 20-gallon terrarium. It's the perfect home for your reptile or small animal. Its spacious design provides ample room for your pet to explore and thrive. Enjoy easy access with the dual sliding mesh top. It also comes with an extra acrylic cover for better viewing, offering two convenient options. The terrarium offers a 360-degree view, enhancing interaction between you and your pet. Watch them play and explore from every angle. It features specially designed feeding holes on the metal mesh top. These are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to the removable waterproof PVC tray. Simply lift it out to clean and replace. It's uniquely designed for easy assembly and disassembly. Set it up in just 2 minutes, and take it apart just as quickly for transport. It's ideal for reptiles, hamsters, hedgehogs, and other small animals. Give your pet a comfortable and stylish home. What we like? Its unique design allows for easy access and cleaning, and the dual sliding top provides excellent ventilation. If you value ease of use and a clear view of your pet, this is a great option. It's perfect for reptile owners who want a stylish and functional terrarium. Number 3. Tetra Turtle Deluxe Kit. This kit provides everything your turtle needs to thrive. It includes a spacious tank, a powerful filter, and a basking area. The decorative filter creates a beautiful waterfall while keeping the water clean and healthy for your turtle. It's a 3-stage filtration system for superior performance. Integrated dome lamps provide the warmth your turtle needs for basking and proper digestion. They're conveniently built into the screen top. It even comes with food and water care samples to get you started. Everything you need is included in one convenient kit. The 20-gallon tank is ideal for aquatic turtles. It measures 30 inches wide, 12 inches deep, and 12 inches tall, providing ample space. This kit is suitable for turtles of all ages and sizes, providing a comfortable and enriching environment. What we like? This kit comes with everything you need to create a thriving environment for your aquatic turtle, including a filter, basking platform, and heating lamp. If you're setting up a turtle tank for the first time, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who want a convenient and comprehensive solution for their turtle's needs. What people say? The 20-gallon tank is a good size for a young turtle and looks great. It's sturdy and easy to clean. It came with everything I needed to set up a comfortable home for my new turtle, perfect for beginners like me. It also came with turtle food, water conditioner, and even both lamps, one for heat and one for UVB, which is so important for their health. This setup for aquatic turtles is perfect. It is large enough to let them swim and bask all they want. The filter is really great. Number 2. AAG 1002120L Aquarium Tank. This stunning aquarium is perfect for both freshwater and marine life. Its high-quality glass construction ensures durability and clarity. It's built with premium glass, providing a crystal clear view of your aquatic world. The dimensions are 30.25 by 12.5 by 12.75 inches, offering ample space for your fish and plants. Whether you're setting up a vibrant freshwater ecosystem or a captivating marine environment, it's versatile enough to meet your needs. The clean silicone edges give it a sleek, modern look. Select sizes are available in clear or black to match your decor. Remember to always use a drip loop when plugging in aquarium appliances. And make sure to place it on a stand that can support its weight when filled with water. What we like? It's made of high-quality glass, ensuring durability and clarity. If you prioritize a simple, yet sturdy tank, this is a great option. It's suitable for both freshwater and saltwater applications, making it a versatile choice for various aquatic setups. What people say. Arrived in one piece. After some reviews, I was really worried about the tank arriving broken or scratched. However, packaging was good, no cracks, scratches, or other visible defects. The 20-gallon glass aquarium is step up from my 10-year-old hermit crabs. It's heavy, so delivery is the best part. It arrived in perfect condition. I used it my turtle, he seems very happy with it, now he has room to grow. The price was good and it is very sturdy. Number 1. Zeno Turtle Aquarium Kit. Starting your turtle's journey? This complete kit has everything you need: filter, basking platform, and a heating lamp. It's perfect for young turtles. Setting up this turtle tank is a breeze. Personalize it with rocks and plants to create a natural habitat. Unleash your creativity. Keeping it clean is simple. The efficient filter keeps the water crystal clear, and the glass panels make cleaning quick and easy. It offers plenty of space for swimming, basking, and climbing, encouraging natural behaviors and a healthy lifestyle for your turtle. Your turtle's safety is our priority. The sturdy design and secure heating lamp ensure a safe and comfortable home. The strong glass is built to last. What we like? This kit includes everything you need to care for your baby turtle, and its easy-to-clean design makes maintenance a breeze. If you are looking for a safe and convenient starter kit for your young turtle, this is a perfect choice. It's ideal for beginners who want a user-friendly and secure environment for their pet. What people say. Quality pieces. Water filter works like a champ. The Zeno Turtle Tank Kit is sturdy, attractive, and versatile. It was well packaged, and all the components were intact. Nothing was damaged, and I liked how easy it was to get everything out of the box without any mess. The tank includes everything needed to create a healthy environment for your turtle, including a filter with cartridges, an adjustable basking platform, and a heating lamp. The filter does a good job of keeping the water clear, and it's quiet. The basking platform provides a cool place for the turtle to rest under the heat lamp. It's also adjustable, so you can customize the setup as your turtle grows. The aquarium feels sturdy. The glass panels are thick enough to provide a solid, long-lasting structure. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.